the oven cook. Today I'm going to do a really good simple one, and I've already got a pan on with some just olive oil. So what I've got is some sea bass. So we get these in. Salt. So we season those with salt and pepper, and we're just going to cook them, crisp up the skin, flip them over, and then do them for about a minute or so, and then take them out. Okay, so in the same pan, some garlic, some quartered cherry tomatoes, baby spinach. Salt. Bit of pepper, a nice squeeze of lemon. In here I've got some lemon roasted potatoes we had the other night, so I'm going to pop these in here to warm up. Okay, so we've got a sea bass cooked in olive oil, salt and pepper, and some lemon juice. We've got a tomato and spinach base, with obviously seasoned with salt and pepper and some lemon juice. We've got potatoes we had the other night, which was done in garlic and lemon and some other herbs. I can't remember what they were, but it was really tasty. And we just topped it off with some fresh chives from the garden, and really easy, really tasty meal. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers guys, bye.